There's nothing like the excitement of printing your first shipping label. That moment when you realize your store is live, customers are buying, and orders are rolling in. But then reality hits. Orders are piling up, you have no idea how much inventory you have, where it is, which orders you've already finished, and anxiety with the thought of the wrong order going to the wrong customer. So what is a WMS? A warehouse management system is software that helps businesses efficiently track, manage, and optimize warehouse operations. It acts as the brain of your warehouse, ensuring that inventory is in the right place, orders are fulfilled accurately, and operations are running smoothly. Your success starts and ends with the right processes. But which ones are the most important? Let's talk about the 6 most critical warehouse processes that every business needs to master, whether you're shipping out of your garage or managing a full-scale warehouse. 1. Accurate inventory tracking. If you don't know what's in stock, you're already behind. Real-time inventory tracking ensures you never oversell, never run out of stock, and always know exactly where every product is stored. This can improve order accuracy and make replenishing that much easier. 2. Optimize picking and packing. Walking back and forth across a warehouse or even a garage adds up. Optimize picking routes to reduce wasted movement, while barcode scanning eliminates order mistakes before they happen. If you want to save money, then you have to save time. And those small minutes and extra movement add up. 3. Efficient receiving and put away. New inventory shouldn't sit around waiting to be sorted. A clear receiving process means products get scanned, stored in the right location, and made available for orders immediately. 4. Smart order processing and automation. When an order comes in, it should flow through your system automatically. No spreadsheets, no manual checks, no second guessing. The faster orders are processed, the faster they ship. Speaking of shipping, number 5, shipping carrier selection. Choosing the right carrier will have a direct impact on your profit. So make sure you have the ability to integrate with your carrier in your WMS. 6, warehouse layout and space optimization. We could talk about this for days. Whether it's a fulfillment center or a backroom storage space, an organized warehouse makes a massive difference. Fast-moving products should be easy to access, while slow movers shouldn't clog up prime space. The expectation of consumers today is that when they order something online, that they're going to receive it in 1 to 2 days. That level of speed feels automatic, like magic. So much so that it's annoying when the delivery process goes past 3 or 4 days. So while it isn't magic, it also isn't guesswork. It's the result of a tight warehouse process, automation, and efficiency. Made possible when every product in a warehouse is accounted for in real time, picked with optimized routes, and shipped the moment an order is placed. It's just a well-run warehouse. And guess what? This playbook isn't a secret. Now, the question isn't if you can sell your product. You've proven that. It's how efficiently you can fulfill those sales. And at some point, every e-commerce business reaches the same reality check. Without the right processes, scaling gets messy fast. So how do you build a fulfillment operation that supports growth instead of slowing you down? In most cases, companies start with a spreadsheet to track inventory, but every manual process leads to one eventual truth. Spreadsheets and manual tracking are unscalable. You might think you know what's in stock, but the numbers never add up. Worse, you receive an order and then realize you are out of stock during the picking process. Say goodbye to that customer forever. Here's what you should expect without a WMS. 1, order mistakes. Every wrong order costs you money, not just in shipping, but in returns, refunds, and lost customers. Order accuracy becomes guesswork. 1 in 3 customers won't order again if they get the wrong product. And a mispick can cost you on average $50 per order when you factor in the labor, reshipping, lost revenue. 2, your warehouse becomes a bottleneck. Orders take too long to pick, pack, and ship because workers are wasting time searching for products. Without optimized picking routes, employees take 30 to 50% longer to fulfill orders. Slower fulfillment equals delayed shipping, equals unhappy customers, equals bad reviews. You get the picture. 3, stockouts and overstock. This is going to kill your margins, and no real-time inventory tracking means stockouts. Customers order only to find it's not available. Over-ordering. 25 to 30% of a business is tied up in inventory that isn't moving. So dead stock sits in storage, eating up warehouse space and increasing costs. Ultimately, you either don't have enough inventory or you have too much. Either way, you're losing money. 4, you're throwing money at labor costs. Workers are spending more time than necessary picking, checking, fixing mistakes. Inefficient warehouses need more staff to do the same amount of work. Cutting just 1 minute per order adds up to hours saved per day. Thousands saved per year. 5, your business can't scale efficiently as order volume grows. Small inefficiencies become massive problems. The more SKUs you add, the harder it is to track inventory. Without automated systems, a warehouse running on spreadsheets or manual processes can't keep up with the e-commerce demand. So without a WMS, growth means more chaos, not more profits. So with the right WMS, your business can maintain high operational efficiency, reduce errors, and deliver an exceptional customer experience. Whether you're running a small business or a massive operation, a WMS helps you work faster, ship smarter, and keep your customers happy. No more guessing, no more switching between channels, checking inventory levels, most importantly, no more overselling. It's not just software, it's your secret weapon.